Hello Python enthusiasts, let us try to solve a question on nested list comprehension, that is nothing but remove all the vowels in a string. So when you want to remove the vowels from a string, first we need to find out the words of that string, and after that we will check the every character of that word, and if the character is vowel we are going to remove it. So first thing we need to do here is nothing but we have to find out the words of the string. So for that we are going to use the split method of our string. So we are going to split our string at the spaces and we are able to find out the list of the word. So now you can check here, I have used a list comprehension to find out the list of the words. So now our next task is we want to find out the whether the vowels are present in word or not. So for that you can check in list of two the word is replaced with again a list comprehension in which we are going to find out the character of our word as well as we are going to check whether it is a part of our vowel list or not. So now if you check the output here, you are able to find out we have the list of the characters which are not vowels. So now we are going to use a join method on this list of characters and we are able to find out the words which not include the vowels. And you can observe that we are apply a join method on nested list comprehension. And after that you can check we have now the list of the word without vowels. Now we want the output in a string form, so we will again apply a join method on our outer list comprehension and you are able to find out the final output with all vowels removed from a string. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.